The diagram shows two parallel lines intersected by two straight lines. Now this and this is parallel line. These two are parallel lines and these two are intersecting lines on the parallel line. Okay, so first we use this property 59 and EA. So 15 and A is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. So the value of that is equal to 59. Value of A is 59. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Okay. Next, you just relate B. So you can see this B and 37 degree. It is both is in a parallel line, above the parallel lines and right side of this transversal. Yes, this angle is called as corresponding angle. Angle 37 degree and B. It is corresponding to each other. So this is corresponding angle. Yes, I am writing it as 37 degree. The reason for it is corresponding angles. Now, you just find C. To find C, we can have in many ways. Yes, one is angle sum property. What is angle sum property? Sum of all the three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So, 180 degree minus 37 plus 59. If you do this one, you will get angle C as 84 degree. Why? Angle sum property. Are you clear with this?